Opinion do you think about this? Should I wear this wig? Guys, give me that other mannequin. Where's the wig now? I have to wear this first. Please give me your honest review. Please, I really need your honest review on this. This is a pixie curl of which I have combed out totally, and I really want to see which looks better because I would be going for an event. And this is the look of how it turned out when I wore it. Do you think this will really make me stand out? I need your honest review, please. And well, my daughter was kind of telling me that she doesn't like it, that I should change it. And so I asked her to bring the next week, so I'll see what it looks like. Wear this. With this, or should I wear this? With this, I need to go and check how the camera is going. Now, this is a 5x5 straight wig. Like, I do a lot of styles with this very wig. And I think me wearing this, I need to do some installation to give it a perfect look. And so now this is me wearing it to see what it looks like. And obviously, it seems this is actually giving. This is a 5x5. And I want to install it to some extent. So, in the installation process, I want it to look like a frontal, but I won't be doing any baby hairs anywhere. So, this is it. Where are you going to? Prince, you go and stay with Gideon.
Daddy said that he's not going to.
Go and stay with Gideon. Where is he going? People are obstructing my video. Let's put this. Please give me a hand fan. Prince. Guys. Let's see. So, she has gone now. So, let's see. Caris. Let's see here. Trying to put in the wisdom. So guys, I'm going to finish it with this. So I'm trying to lay this down. This is not being done. band it. So guys, I'm tying it. So I think I've tied it so firmly. So let's see what the outcome will look like. So this is the time I'll be needing my concealer to brighten up the lens. Alright, this is a concealer. Let me brush it. I won't be tying this for too long because I'm late. Giddy, you fall down now. You want to fall down, ba? I won't be binding this for too long. Let's leave it because I don't have time. Yes, properly leave it. Let's complete it. So guys, guess our eggs is late. Perfectly laid down. The lace is lacing. Don't chop here. I think we're good to go. So, what do you think about my lacing? I think I'm good to go. So, guys, get ready with me. Next episode.